Woo! We're getting somewhere, boys. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. Well, we just hopped right to it. I forgot to pull out the camera, I'm sorry. But we are basically coming down, getting pretty close with this. As in the last video, when you guys saw this car, I'm not talking about the video I did before this one, but a couple of videos ago, I was showing you that I put some skim coat. I put my skim coat down, sanded it all down with 180. Everything came out pretty smooth. There are a couple little things that I missed right here. There's another one right here as well. Little small wobbles. There's one right here that I need to fix. I think there's another one right here that I need to fix. Other than that, we're coming down pretty close. So this here is basically ready. Like I said, there's a couple dents that we have to push in. One right here and then another one right there as well. But the quarter panel is basically done. I'm about to do the roof next. So there's still a couple of dings that I had to fix on here with the body filler. But after that, we should get started. So let's get sanding. Alright, man, it's been a minute since I gave you a video. I apologize. Finally got the hood all done. There's still just a couple of things I need to fix, but other than that, we are done. This quarter panel up here, we're finally done. The roof, I'm still challenging it. You know, there's still there's a lot of wobbles in there, so but we're getting somewhere finally. And then once we get the roof all done, then all I have to do is just do the other quarter panel really quick, and then basically we'll be ready to prime, block the primer, and then we'll be ready for paint. Like I said, I'm sorry it's taking a little bit longer, but with all these little dents, it causes major wobbles, other kinks as well that I have to fix. So yeah, it's taking a little bit longer than usual. So, but this is just an update. So yeah, sorry guys, my bad. Haven't been recording much, but I went ahead and sanded down this body filler. Everything is feeling pretty smooth. As you can see, we had to do some kind of like little touch-ups right here. There are a couple dents. I might have to do another touch-up right there just because I didn't fill it in all the way. And I did this area right here, and it's feeling pretty smooth. There's a little dent right here, but like I said, I was only to right here to here. So when we do our next layer, we'll probably go from here where my hand is, and we'll kind of block it off. So yeah, we're actually coming close, and I kind of filled it right here. I still got to sand this a little bit more, so we still got a little bit more to do, and I still got the front. So we are actually getting pretty close. I'm probably just going to sand these down and maybe just fill this area right here, and then we're probably just going to call it a day. I need to go bring my body hammers from home. I still got to bring my toolbox from home as well. But yeah, we'll probably do that tonight and bring it in. So that way I can have my tools here again. I did have my big toolbox, but like I said, since I'm working full time again, I had to take my toolbox back to work. And yeah, so now you bring my small toolbox back here. And yeah, so I'm gonna put you in time lapse, and then we'll go ahead and finish sanding this off. Well, just put on the coat, so we're gonna let this dry overnight. I'm done for today. So got these parts all sanded. This one actually turned out pretty good, which I thought I was gonna have to fill again, but it turned out pretty good. This one I know for sure is gonna have to be a little bit more filled, as well as this one right here. And this one's gonna need to be filled, but this is just the extra that I had left, so I just hurried up and put it on there, as well as right here. So So yeah, we're just about done with this side, which I'm pretty happy with. So yeah, after we get these little, I think there's like 3 or 4 dings that I missed that I had to fix really quick. But once we get those ones fixed, the hood's going to be ready. This side will be ready. And we're basically one step closer to getting this in primer. So it's been a long time with this car. Like I said, it would have really been nice to replace the hood and replace the roof, but the customer didn't want that. So his pocket was a little bit low, and he just says, do what you can with this much. So that's what we're doing right now. So this isn't the prettiest. I don't recommend anyone doing this, but it's what he wanted. So that's what we're going to do. But that's it, you guys. I'm going home. I'm going to hang out with my wife and daughter. So until next time, you guys, see you around.